Hello friend, welcome back. So in this video we'll keep playing with Terminal. Terminal is a very good tool. We can do a lot of things which we cannot do without it. Okay, so today we'll try to install a cool thing named tree. You see, command not found tree. We don't have a tree. What is tree? You will see. Okay, now how to install that? We can use another tool called Brew. Okay, Homebrew. Homebrew is a cool tool which maintains like a lot of other tools. So we can use Homebrew Mac. We can search that Mac Homebrew. You see, it pops up. Install tree, right? Like that. Homebrew tree. The command. So I already have that installed. Like home. Okay, so Homebrew. Oh, actually, it's just a brew. Brew, like that. Yeah, if you didn't, right, you never install that, so you cannot see it. You will get like a command not found, something like that. Okay, so that's see how to install, right? Mac, how to install brew. You see that? So I always want to go to Stack Overflow. Okay, so Stack Overflow can install Homebrew. A clean install. How to install Homebrew? Yeah, this guy, right? So click. Let's go to the answer. So basically, how to install? See, here is the famous answer, right? You only need to copy this. Like that. Copy this. Again, let me show you. Okay, so copy this and paste it here in the command in the terminal, like that. Ruby -e blah 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 blah. Yeah, don't modify anything about that, just and then enter. Password, this is your computer password. Okay, when you type the password, there's nothing show here, so just keep typing, and then after you finish, enter. You are using Mac OS. That okay? We do not provide. Oh, we do not provide support for this pre-release version. Okay, enter. Finding available software. So whenever you want to stop it, tool beta, downloading command line tools beta 3 for Xcode. Installing command tool beta 3 for Xcode. Okay. Yeah, sometimes it may takes a while to install the missing tools used by Homebrew. Okay, after a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes, finally I got this result. Okay, now let's see. Brew help. Okay, so let's try to install tree. Okay, so tree, we don't have a tree now. We have brew, right? Brew, like maybe version. Do we have that? Yeah, Homebrew, like that, 2.5. So this is the tool, right? Homebrew to be used to install other stuff. Okay, now we can use brew install tree, something like that. Done. Cool. Now let's try tree. Wow, cool. You see? You might, yeah, you might not get it. Okay, so let me show you what it is. Now we can go back here. So let's go into like one of our project directory. Okay, so here pwd, remember, is where we are. Okay, now ls list l, right? This is the content of current directory. Here is where we are. We are inside the temp directory. Now let's go into maybe delete me. Okay, let's go to pulley. Okay, pulley, like that. I just type p and tab key, right? Now where we are here. Tree. Wow, there's so many. Yeah, it's very long, right? Okay, let's go to another one so we can see the whole thing. Yeah, cd space dot dot, go to the one level up. Now ls, we can list that, right? Let's go to drawing or collapse. Oh, yeah, you see, if I type co, then tab key, right? There are some options here, so it means we need more. We can type another letter, right? Then tab key again. Now we are inside the collapse, right? So tree again, it will show. Okay, now here is the whole image, right? That's the tree view of the directory of this guy, right? Everything under collapse is listed here. Collapse. So this is the, yeah, the two folders or directories, right? At the top level, collapse. Yeah. So let's see here. Collapse. You see, top two, right? Top two folders here. This guy. Okay, let me make it a little bit smaller, like that. Okay. So collapse and the collapse dot, this one, right? Now under it, everyone, right, is listed like a tree, right? Level by level. So cool, right? Okay, now let's create our own tree. So let's go into, yeah, another thing I can show you, right? We can go like dot dot. We don't need to stop here. We can keep going. We have a delete me, right? de, tab key. Okay, now we are inside delete me. Let's do tree again. Nothing here. Let's make a dir. Okay, make a dir. Directory 1. Okay, now tree. You see, there's one there, right? Let's make another one using up arrow key, right? Up arrow key to go through the history, command history. Now let's create another one. Now tree again. Cool, right? We can also make a dir, right? Under direct, yeah, dir1 and dir 1 1. Okay, now tree. Cool, right? Let's create another one. 1 2, right? Tree again. You see? So this tree is similar to, right, what we saw here, right, in the finder. Yeah. and you can copy this. This is text based, so you can copy this and paste in your email or something, right? For example, I want to make a copy of this folder or directory hierarchy, right? Onto, for example, let me make a copy like that. Copy and Command N, text edit, okay. So new command, paste. You see, correct, right? Okay, so and another thing, there are some other options for the tree command. Okay, so let's go one level up. You see, like that, tree. If we don't want to show all the complete tree, right, we can use this level, for example, 1. Oh, sorry about that. I think it's just like that, level 1, like that. Tree. What about 2? Usage. Oh, level. You see here, this guy. Tree, capitalized level, okay, like 1. You see the top level here. Why there's a backslash here? Because it escape the space after it, so it means there is a space here. Okay, so what about level 2 level, right? 2 levels. You see, it stops at the 2 levels, right? Level, this is the top level, here is the second level. Wow, beautiful, right? You cannot do this without the terminal. Okay, that's our introduction for the cool tool, right? Tree, TRE. We installed Tree using Homebrew. So you need to, if it's not already there, you have to install the Homebrew first. Okay, cool. Thank you for watching. See you next time.